Hey everyone, Tracie here. I'm here with the lovely Anna.
Hi.
She's gonna be our makeup artist for today.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm a Sacramento makeup artist and I'm here going to do Tracie's photo shoot makeup for her high fashion shoot today. Do you want me to just come up with something?
No, I would love for you to just come up with it.
Okay, what colors are you wearing for your shoot?
So there's gonna be black and then red. I have like red long dresses, like kind of like the mood board that I showed you. And then a lot of my outfits are black, like the like the ones that I also show, like with the pants and the jacket, and then I also have like lace black dress.
Okay, so is this shoot gonna be more like on the edgy side, or is it like boho, or just?
It's more on the edgy
classy,
side.
Edgy, okay.
Yeah, so there's like the high fashion, like in terms of the edgy, and then there's also like the glamour, I guess you could say, of
so more on the edgy side. So we can work with like black on the eyes, like eyeliner.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be doing a beautiful, like full-on makeup for this photo shoot, and we're going to be on, like she said, the edgy side, but still fashion style. So we're going to do a super pretty bold lip, something like this to go with her bright dresses. And we're also going to be filming for my Instagram channel and my TikTok, like a little short, something fun, just to be like creative. So we're going to have fun with this today.
Awesome, I'm excited. So let's get started.
My name is Anna Paskevician. I specialize in bridal makeup and high fashion photo shoots. Things like glamorous and edgy makeup is my passion. I love it, all of it. I also have my own line of lashes. It's called Luxy Glam Lashes. We're super passionate about it, and the lashes are extremely beautiful. It's on the luxury type of style lashes, so it definitely elevates your look. I'm super excited that I got to use them today on Tracie. She has beautiful eyes, and we definitely made them pop today.
Alrighty everyone, this is my final look. Anna also did my hair. It looks so beautiful.
I'm not a professional hairstylist, but it came out really nice.
Yes, I mean it looks professional, but look at this beautiful makeup she has done. Like, I love it. It's such like edgy, high fashion. And yes, I love the makeup. You're always so talented knowing how to like enhance my eyes and really bring it out.
Oh, thanks so much. Yeah, I love like everything that we do with your makeup always, because you have like some really nice prominent features.
Aw, thanks.
Yeah, so fun.
And so yes, we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go to the photographer's house to do the photo shoot. Hey everyone, so we are here at Dave's studio and we're ready to get started on our high fashion photo shoot. So Dave, you like to talk about yourself?
My name is Dave Thomas. I'm a photographer specializing in portraits and fashion. My wife and I shoot under the name Electroglow.
Yes, so please make sure to follow them on Instagram, Electroglow. And so yes, our first look is pretty much high fashion. I'm wearing all black. Yeah, we're gonna have very contrasty type of lighting, and as you can see right here, he has his beauty dishes up, and yeah.
Let's just do it.
Awesome. Let's do it. And that is it. We finished our photo shoot. It's like super late at night and it's been fun. How did you feel about it, Dave? He's like falling asleep back there.
That was so much fun.
Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to please subscribe, hit that subscription button, including the notification bell. And also you'll see the full sets on my Patreon as well, and I'll really appreciate your support. Thanks guys, bye.